It's Wolfpack. We are back with some more wilderness explorers of minimum of man. I'm gonna have to go in a little bit or in the video soon. Because if you can't hear, there's a thunderstorm coming. Woo! And he likes thunderstorms. No, I don't have a computer. I only have an iPad. I don't have a phone. All I have is my iPad and my Xbox. Oh gosh! Lucy, say hi. Oh, I take that as a no. So, hey Klaus. Looks like we came back to see you. You like that, Klaus? You like being on camera? How about we sit down and enjoy the view? So I'm gonna tell more who. What did one bear say to the other? You better be aware of what you're doing, and you better be aware of where you're going. If you didn't get that, just pause the video and think about it. What do ghosts have instead of YouTube? BooTube! Ugh. Okay, are you guys ready for another joke? Because this is all I have. This is all. Okay, I don't have nothing. Okay, so this is all I got. Nothing. That's it, I got nothing. Oh God! And the toy store in this area is friends. Yep, you heard me, friends. And if you live in Tennessee and you are watching this video, we are in Mountain City right now. Okay? In this house. On a hill. Okay? With that driveway. So sorry guys. We're not gonna go out of this area anymore because the thunderstorm is starting to come. So, you ready for some more horror puns? What did one thunderstorm say to the other? Don't just storm in on me like that. Do you get it? What did one cat say to the other? Wow, you guys made such a mess. This is catastrophic. If you want me to do a try not to laugh video, tell me. Try not to get scared video. Tell me in the comments below. I'll do it. And no, this is my mom's side of the family. My dad's side is the Thomases. And let me throw this out there. If your name is Thomas, that don't mean we are related. It don't. Like, I'm related with the Woodalls. Like, I'm related with 5 different families. I'm related with the Roses, the Woodalds, the Thomases, and I don't remember the other 2. Okay? So, I only remember 3. But not 5. 3. And are you wondering why I'm doing this? Because I want to. Like, I can do this, I can do this, and I can do this. Like, okay! And I also can do this. I can do this. So, what?
I got you another subscriber.
So,
Subscribe. You type it in your name.
no, I'm making a video. I can't do that right now.
What's the name of it? Just spell it out for me.
Can't you just remember it? Like, as soon as I tell you, can't you just type it in? Dopey Wolfman Hero. I'm dying. Dying. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit. I'll be back. Okay guys, I might have to end the video soon. It has started to wane and I don't want it to mess up my iPad. So sorry for this, guys. I didn't want to have to end it so soon. I don't like it. So, bye Dopey Wolfpack. We'll be back in the next episode. So, I hope you stay here. But you know, you can go watch other YouTubers until I make another video. So, bye Dopey Wolfpack. See ya until the next video. Bye.